Good morning, teachers. This question is related to the surface area of rectangular prism. So if we read the question, it's saying Laila connects 5 boxes to create a rectangular prism, as you see, as shown below. The dimension of each of the 5 boxes are 9 by 9 by 9. So that means this distance it's 9, this distance is 9, and this it's 9. What is the total surface area of the rectangular prism? So you see this is a rectangular prism. One box is 9 by 9 by 9. So we need to understand what the meaning of the total surface area. Total surface area, this is what we are using when, let's say, we cover the whole block or the whole prism with gift paper, or when we paint it. So that means we need everything around this prism. So to calculate this one, I need to actually to check the area of each faces and add all together. So how many faces I have? I have the top, I have the bottom. I'm going to change the color for right face. I have the left face. And after that, the last 2 faces, the front one in front of us and the one in the back. So that means I have 6 different faces. So you see that these faces, they are congruent. So I don't need to add one by one. So I can say it, I'm going to take it left and right together and multiply it by 2. After that, the top and the bottom together, and the front and the back. So let's start with the first one. So I'm going to say the front and the back. So area of front and back equal to this front. It's actually the height is 9. Okay, this one is 9. But if I add all this dimension together, it's going to be 5 times 9, 45. So 45 by 9, 45 by 9, and don't forget this is front and bottom, so I have to multiply by 2. I'm going to leave the calculation at the end since we are allowed to use a calculator, no problem. The area of I'm going to do it actually in red to make it more clear for you. So in red, we said left and right. So area left and right equal to, you see here, it's 9 by 9. This face, it's 9 by 9. So I can say 9 by 9, but don't forget times 2 because I'm calculating left and right. And the last one, top and bottom, this is in black. You see it here in the top and in the bottom. Again, this is 9 by 45. So again, area of top and bottom, it's going to be exactly 45 times 9 times 2, which is exactly matching the first one on the top. Now I can calculate the final result at the end using the calculator. So I can say 45 times 9 times 2 equal to 810. So both of these are going to be 810. For sure, this is centimeter square, and here 810 centimeter square. And the last one, it's something like 9 times 9 equal 81. So 81 times 2 equal to 162. So 162 centimeter square. Now it's time to add all together because I need the total surface area. So surface area equal to the 810 and the 810 and 162. So I have the 162 plus 810 plus 810. So I'm talking about 1782, 1782 centimeter square. And now it's time to check which answer is correct. So you see right away, C is a correct answer. So this is the total surface area. And don't forget, again, the total surface area means that you are covering this prism with, imagine, gift paper or you are tinting from outside. So this is which is totally different than the volume. So I hope that you understood this one, and thank you for listening.